Why do you gotta keep breaking? Alright, so the car's not actually in any serious condition, but it is not fucking working properly. I'm getting tired of it. I just can't give up, man. I don't know. But the power steering in the car itself is like just oozing now. It used to be like I could hold power steering for like a week and then it would finally go, Gerald, what's up? By the way, this cat had his kittens. I know, I just like completely... Hi, kitty cat. I love you. Dylan, you hungry? We got some food for you. So yeah, I forgot exactly what I was saying, but yeah, pretty much like a week, it would like completely drain, and then I'd have to fill it. Now it's like pretty much a day. But it's really weird, because I drove it... How far did I drive it yesterday? Oh, I went to Eugene. That's right. By the way, if you noticed the t-shirt, FTW, I'm working with a guy named Jason. Just met him. He's a really cool guy. He's starting a YouTube channel on pretty much just builds and stuff that he's doing and stuff like that. But anyways, he's kind of a busy guy, so he's needed like a video person. So I'm helping him out with that. So when this channel gets started, I will have a link for you guys to go follow that channel. Why is my shirt wet? So yeah, I went to Eugene to do videos and stuff like that. And I had power steering the whole time. I had power steering all the way until I got back. Like, I don't know. It was weird. And then last night, I didn't even drive. I parked the car, hung out with friends here at the house, and then today it was just empty. So I'm going to get under the car and take a look at things and see what's going on. But first I actually need to figure out, I got to make sure I have zip ties, because I got to take my bumper off to get my jack under. And anyways, the whole front end's held in by zip ties, so I don't have enough zip ties in the back here. We ain't gonna get very far. Oh, they're still in the bag. Hell yeah. Okay, so I got plenty of zip ties. Alright, we're good. So I'm gonna start cutting zip ties and pull the jack out. And yeah, this car lifted up. My car's too low. I just remembered something actually. Why am I trying to, we have these like ramps. I'm gonna set these ramps up. I'm gonna have to back my car up. But yeah, we got these ramps, and these ramps will help. Wanted to go higher, but oh, jeez, I'm gonna break my fucking camera, man. Ow! Damn radiator! God damn it! Oh, where is it leaking from? Ooh, it's leaking from the back right here. Look at that! I already found it. Is it leaking from right here? There's no fucking way. It's leaking from somewhere. It's leaking from somewhere, like right around here. It's really hard to film the camera under there. So I'm gonna kind of dig through with the camera not in my hand, and then come back to you guys. So here we got, I just sprayed the whole thing with degreaser. So what we're gonna do is I'm probably gonna spray it a little bit more. I'm probably just gonna use all the degreaser I have. We're gonna clean up this whole bottom part. Dakota's gonna come by with some power steering for me, and we're gonna pour it in. I'm gonna have him get in, hold the brakes, and just pour a little bit in and see if and where it leaks. I don't know if I showed you guys, but Dakota's here. He's gonna be my helper. Let me grab that ATF out of the back. So what we're gonna do is we went, got some food, got some more ATF. Shout out to Dakota for helping me out, because my payday is until tomorrow. So I got a little bit left in here. We're gonna fill it up. I cleaned the bottom, degreased it, washed it. Dakota, you wanna hold this for me real quick, please? So we're just gonna fill this up real quick with however much is in here. I'm gonna try and like keep it like not as messy.
Give me a face.
I'm not good at making faces. All right. Hi, Allie. Hi, Allie. Hi, puppy. What you doing over here?
Is this EDM?
Is this EDM? That's music.
Or is it GDM?
It'd just be Euro.
Yeah. EDM.
Yeah, no, it's just Euro.
Euro domestic market or GDM.
No, EDM's music.
German
Electronic
domestic
dance music.
market. Why are you the way that you are?
So in order to have been able to see exactly what's going on, we had to take it off the ramps. I did find out where it's leaking. It's not the steering rack. It's actually leaking from the housing itself. I don't know why I'm trying to show you guys, but inside here, right down there, the housing itself is leaking from somewhere. And I thought, you know, maybe bolts aren't tight enough, and I did end up tightening them all, but it's still leaking. So I think I'm just gonna have to replace this power steering pump itself, which is no problem because I plan to do a pick and pull run here soon. Because hopefully this next paycheck I won't have stupid bills to pay, and I can actually go get stuff that I need to grab for this stupid car. Pretty much gave me the answer I wanted to get tonight in the car. So yeah, I'll just replace the power steering pump and see if that works, and if not, then we'll keep trying to figure it out. If you guys are enjoying everything you're seeing too, head over to our website, pick up some t-shirts and stuff. I'm trying to get some stickers made. I'm trying to get some more t-shirts made. I'm also focusing on a couple other content ideas. I'm currently reaching out to other YouTubers and stuff to do a collab. I have some pretty good ideas, and if you guys follow me on other social media, you would have seen them by now. But with all that being said, I will see you guys all later. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Dakota, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.